Hi, I'm Shen and welcome back to my channel at Mama Banana, and today I'm going to show you how to cut a mango easily with practically no waste. So let's get straight into it. So the easiest way to remove the skin off a mango is just simply to use a peeler, and that's what I'm going to do. It means that there's very little waste when you do this. Okay, so I'm just going to fast forward this part. So now I'm just going to slice a bit off the bottom of the mango just to create a base to keep the mango steady while I cut. So now I'm going to cut some fruit off the side of it, and if I hit the pit I'm just going to flick the knife, and then I'm going to do the same on the other side, cut straight down, and if I hit the pit then I just flick it off with the knife. This will just give me something to grab onto with my hands while I cut the rest of the mango. So now I just cut straight down and flick straight down, and I use the knife to kind of scrape the mango off the pit, and I do this the whole way. But before I reach my fingers, obviously I'm going to move my fingers to the other side of the pit just to grab onto there, just to keep my fingers safe, and this way I'm getting all the fruit off the whole entire pit. And now that I'm done with the top, I'm going to reset up the camera for a side angle so you can see what I'm doing. So I hope this gives you a better view of the knife flicking technique. So basically I'm just cutting straight down and using knife to scrape off the piece of mango. I do this the whole way, and obviously before the knife reaches my fingers I'm going to move my hand over to the end of the pit to grab onto and continue cutting away at the mango, so until there is no obvious piece of fruit left. And now that I'm done, I like to look around the pit, see if there's any pieces of fruit that I've missed, and cut it off then. If there's any very close to the pit, what you would do is you would angle the knife so that it's in line with the mango, so you can slice or slide the fruit right off. So this is the better example of how I do that. And once I've cut all the pieces off, I have a little tip for you on what you can do with the pit so that there is absolutely no waste whatsoever. And a quick tip for all the mamas out there with weaning babies is the pit afterwards, you can give this to your child if they're able to start eating. It's great little teething food for them because they can chew and there's a bit more grip on it for them, and they'll really enjoy this. And here is my baby eating the mango pit. She is really enjoying it. Because I've cut away most of the flesh, it leaves a bit of the pit behind so that she can grasp it easily. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up so that I know that you enjoyed it. I would love if you would leave me a comment below, and please do subscribe to my channel. It would really help support this channel. So thank you very much for watching. Until the next video, thank you and goodbye. Hiya! Hi Sophie, are you loving your mango?